Yeah, it's back. It's back on the counter again. Grr. Look at all the dirt that's in here. See if I can do this one-handed without dropping my camera. Drum looks okay, not damaged. Yeehaw! So I came back a couple weeks ago, and once again that frickin' thing is leaking oil. So this time around, I wasn't messing around. I cleaned her off good, let her dry out, and I put some of this stuff on there. I am not really into silicone, but I got no other options. I got no idea how to stop it from leaking. But like I always said, if you look at this engine, that bottom case half is different than the rest of the engine, so there's more to the story of this engine. I think it blew up, but anyway. So I'm just gonna stab her back in there and put it all back together. I'm just gonna probably put the camera on fast forward. Probably put the camera on fast forward because I don't know if I've filmed it before, but that's my setup. There's no way I can pick this engine up. I think this thing's like 600 pounds. I tried, just about blew a blood vessel in my forehead picking it up last time. So got the chain fall hanging up there. Just put a stabber in there. Set the camera up and you just watch what I'm doing. Ow! Oh, it's a good sign it still runs. Let's see if it leaks oil. I'm gonna warm it up and put some coolant in it. Oops. Hey, what though? I tell you what, this machine runs really good. Not leaking so far. Hey. I think we're winning. Not a drop yet. My God, this exhaust is so loud. Fuzzy. Yeah, so loud I need hearing protection. Yikes. Yeah, no drops yet. All that liquid down there is leaking to try to bleed the cooling system, which is working great now. Yeah, baby, let's go for a ride. Can't do this too long or my neighbors are gonna get pissed off. Okay, here we go. Oh, this thing frickin' rips. Oh God, it's even too loud for my hearing protection on. Oh, there goes the stick. Ah. Yeehaw! Yeah, baby. Whee! codes, no warnings. All right. Oh, we check for leaks. Oh, take those things off. Oh yeah, Any leaks? I see nothing. Yeah. That is a win. Yeah. Well, that's another one done. Or the same one done again. Oh. Any leaks? Nope, no leaks. Still got a little bit of air in the cooling system. You can kind of hear it bubbling around in there. Runs good. No warning. Nothing's leaking. This is good. Alright, and with that, there's another one. Hey, I can't believe how many people watched the video on the buggy. I was not expecting that. Gave me like 100 subs. Thanks everybody, I love it. Gonna have to do some more videos on this thing. Really contemplating pulling the motor out. Doing a rebuild on the engine. Yeah. Thanks everybody. Thanks for watching. Thank you. Later.